Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to talk about how much does Mohawk Smartstrand carpet cost. So if you're familiar with Smartstrand carpet, it's one of the most popular carpets being sold across the country. It's in probably 99% of the retail stores countrywide, and it's just a very popular carpet, and quite frankly, it's an excellent carpet. It has wonderful benefits to it, and the question is always asked to us anyway is how much does this carpet cost? And so before I get into that, I do want to talk just a second about our site, which is bestrugprices.com. What you're looking at is the front page of our floor and decor blog. And as you can probably imagine, what we write articles about is floor covering. In fact, our most recent article is about Smartstrand carpet, and we title it Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. Don't buy this carpet until you read this. But it's just an article that has a wealth of information about Smartstrand carpet. There's a lot of things in the warranty for Smartstrand that a lot of the stores will not tell you about, and then you buy the carpet and you find out later that, oh, by the way, you've got to go out and buy a new vacuum cleaner, because if you don't, your warranty is going to be void, because they only recommend certain vacuums, and if you don't use one, your warranty isn't any good. Or you got to get it professionally cleaned, and it has to be by a specific type of cleaner, professional cleaner. So there's a lot of things about the Smartstrand warranty that, I should say a good percentage of stores won't tell you about. And that's why we put this article together. But also in this article, we talk about what is Smartstrand, how much does it cost, and just kind of a little bit of history about it. So I'm going to switch over to the Mohawk page real briefly. Mohawk is the manufacturer of Smartstrand carpet. They're one of the leading manufacturers of floor covering in the country. And this is their page on their site talking about Smartstrand. And Smartstrand has different styles of carpet within this type of fiber. And as far as how much does Smartstrand carpet cost, it's a really difficult, quite frankly, impossible question to answer, because within the Smartstrand line within Mohawk, they have many different styles, ranging from base grade carpet all the way up to luxury home type of carpet. So it's really all across the board. And what you need to ask your store is, besides where the Smartstrand displays, you need to ask them, what samples do they have in their store. So, for example, if you're looking to recarpet a rental home, for example, or an apartment, and you're just looking for a base grade carpet that's going to last, that maybe you don't have to replace every time somebody moves in and out. They're going to have a carpet for you that's a Smartstrand fiber, and they just may not show it in their store. Maybe on a little deck board sample in somebody's office, and you just have to ask them for it. Or on the flip side, if you have a $1 million home and you're looking for something, very thick and plush, they're going to have that as well. So as far as how much it costs, it really depends on the type of project you have and what some of the goals are that you're looking for. And on this page, if you flip down, there's a cleaning brochure and pet warranty and all that good stuff. But as far as how much does it cost, it's just all across the board. The better question is what your project is about and what are the goals that you have. And in reference to that, our blog, the Floor and Decor blog, we have all that information for you. We write articles on product reviews. We have cleaning and maintenance tips. We do articles on budgeting, on how to plan for your floor covering project. We even have articles on how to deal with your local store to get the best price on your material. So our website is bestrugprices.com. We would love for you to come visit us in the description. box on this video, I'm going to put the link to our blog page. I'd love for you to come visit and check us out and read some articles and leave a comment or two. But if you're in the market and you're looking to buy some Smartstrand carpet, you're not going to want to miss this article, because in this article we talk about all the different things in the warranty that maybe the stores won't tell you about. We have a list of all the different vacuum cleaners that are acceptable to Mohawk that you can use to keep your warranty active. So there's just a wealth of information in this article that sometimes it may get overlooked. So thanks for listening, and come visit us and say hello.